Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Martinez, and today I'm going to be combining two things. It is Sunday, and today is the Royal Rumble, if you're watching this today when it goes up. The Royal Rumble is an annual pay-per-view that the WWE runs with a winner getting a shot at the championship match at WrestleMania, which is their big Super Bowl show. What we're going to be doing today is combining wrestling with something that happened at the end of last year. I lost my fantasy football league. I mean this in the sense that it was both my fantasy football league and I had a chance to finally become champion of the fantasy football league that I commissioned. So this is part of my punishment for losing, as well as the championship victory for Jeremy, who is our league champion. All praise to the great Jeremy. We had a side bet along with the predetermined grand prize for the winner that the loser of the championship match would have to make the trophy for the winner. Both Jeremy and I are huge wrestling fans, so I figured what better way to award him than with a prize fitting of fake football. So we're going to be making a championship belt today. I've got a hot glue gun that is getting ready and is almost dripping on the table. Hang on a second. Clearly I don't work with a lot of crafts. So like I said, we're building a championship belt from scratch, and when you think about the belt, it is exactly that. It's a belt. And most belts are made of leather, but they didn't have straps of leather at Michael's. What they did have, though, was 20 feet of burlap. So this is going to be a very itchy belt. I'm sorry, Jeremy. So we're going to get this open, and we're going to eyeball probably about 3 feet. I'd say 3 feet is belt length. That feels about right. So we've got that cut out right there. Now, a championship belt needs, of course, its championship medallion, and thankfully, for $2, Michael's had this plastic gold plate. So here you go, Jeremy. All right, we've got the glue on the back of the plate. Let's add the strap. Excuse me, the championship. There was actually a memo that the WWE sent out a couple years back that they no longer call it the strap or the belt. It's only the title or the championship now. So there we go. We've got the startings of our belt right there. So the belt itself has to fasten somehow, and what better, more professional way to do so than with everyone's favorite tool, Velcro straps. Yeah, that'll Velcro pretty well. So far, so good. So, well, what is it more right now than just a strap of burlap, a gold plastic plate, and some Velcro straps? We need to, of course, make sure that this is identifiable. That's why we have these embroidery letters. There we go, we've got some progress coming along with that for the East versus West championship belt. And of course this is a championship because we don't want this to just look like a burlap strap with a gold plastic plate and some letters and Velcro straps attached to it. Let's make sure this thing shines with some fake plastic jewels. There you have it, a championship as prestigious as the Vincent K. McMahon Award for Outstanding Achievement in the Field of Excellence. If you follow these simple instructions, you'll have made a championship belt so hideous none of your opponents will want to win, and you'll be the future champion forever. Thank you guys for watching. Congratulations again, Jeremy, and as always, stay difficult.